Hey, how's it going, guys? It's been a little bit since I uploaded a video. I will be frank with you. Um, so, in the time of this recording, not Black Ops 2 here, this is just for background, because I know a lot of people don't have good stimulation. Um, a lot of this recording, I had a lot of fucking issues with OBS. It wouldn't work, it kept crashing, and I lost 90% of my footage trying to, uh, get footage for Power Drill Massacre. This game is easily the scariest fucking game I've ever played in my entire life. And it's going to take a lot out of me to get me to play it again. But yeah, a lot of it, like a good majority of this video is just me cowering, and then I will admit, yeah, at the end of the video there is a jump scare, and then that's when my OBS crashed yet again. I don't know what's going on with with OBS, but I tried figuring it out. I couldn't figure out what the hell the problem was. But I guess until that, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye. That's not gonna help. Fixed camera's not helping either. I'm never gonna be able to play this game, dude. I just can't do it. Oh my god, wait. I can take it out of full screen! Oh my god, I'm so, like, not scared now. It's a joke, obviously. I'm so fucking scared. Why am I doing this? I wouldn't be so scared if the flashlight just didn't fucking suck. I'm fucking scared. I'm so scared. Why do I do this? No. I'm I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. I'm genuinely scared shitless. I'm genuinely so fucking scared. I'm so fucking scared. No, like I need like I need to have like 19 puppies surrounding me. Mm-hmm. I don't like that I just no. I walked straight into a dead end. No. Sorry guys. I fucking refuse to play this shit. God, I fucking hate this. Ah! No, no, no!